Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to film something and I was like going through ideas and stuff. So I realized that I've never really done like a public Q&A kind of, not exactly public, but the questions from just generally you guys and stuff. I did do a Q&A, but that was like I asked my friends and people that I was close with to send me questions, which I didn't know. Obviously they were like the questions to send, but I didn't do any like Q&As on like where I just publicly just said ask me anything kind of like that. So recently I posted on my Instagram story that you guys can ask me any questions you want or something like that, and I did not expect that anybody would care, to be honest. But I got a lot of, if you can hear meow, that's just my cat. Yeah, so I did not expect that I would get any questions, but a lot of you guys asked such great questions. I haven't really looked through it. I just took like a screenshot like that, but let's get started. So let's get started with the questions. Okay, I'm not gonna be taking names or anything like that. These are just like friends and stuff like that who asked me these questions. So let's start with the first question, that is an incident which changed you as a person. That's such a nice question. So like I think I mean there are a lot of incident, I think, when I think about this question that comes to my mind, but like my first like the main thing I could think of is I don't know if a lot of you do know that I like suffer through anxiety. So when my anxiety like started, like when my anxiety was really bad, and it just like for a few years, like long time ago, it was really bad and stuff like that. So for like those few years I was just like I felt like my anxiety was in control of me and stuff like that, and I used to ask like just in general I used to always ask from God and stuff like that, like why me and stuff like that. But eventually you go through these things and you realize that if that one particular incident or one like thing didn't happen, you would not be the person you are right now. So I'm grateful for whatever happened, whatever helped me in my journey to become the person I am right now. And I would say those, like, that's not like one particular incident, but like one like part of my life that like I feel like changed me a lot as a person. So I'm sorry it was like a little too heavy, but yeah, that's it. So next question is a college friend of mine asked me this question: when our college starts, should we rent a PG and stay? So if you don't know, I'm doing online college right now. Like my college is not open because COVID and all that stuff. So I'm doing online college, and yeah, like I just want college to open so bad, like so bad. I'm just waiting for my college to open so that I can just rent a place with my friends and just live that college life, because I'm already in second year. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. So yeah, so I'm already in my second year, and I have not seen my college like once, so that's a little sad. And yes, I am waiting for college to start, and then we are definitely getting a PG and staying. Yep. So next question is one great novel that you read recently. Okay, that's a great question. One novel that I read recently. So I'm currently reading Kafka on the Shore by Murakami, and I know like Murakami is a really famous author, and but that book is a little like, that book is good, but it's really slow, and it did get me in a reading slump kind of. And it's a good book, but like I wouldn't call it great, but it's a good book that I'm reading right now or read recently. It's such a big book that it's been, and it's like a little slow. The story is not really that exciting, so it's taking me some time to go through that. So I've been reading that particular book for some time now, and I'm almost to the end. But that's a good book if you want to check it out. Okay, next up. Oh, I love this question. Okay, your favorite character from Friends and why? Oh my god, I cannot, like, I don't know. For like it keeps on changing, to be honest, but I would say if I had to pick a character that I really loved from Friends, it has to be Joey. I mean, I understand that he has his flaws and stuff like that, but like if any one of us wanted a friend, we definitely wanted a friend like Joey, because I feel like he's a friend who is always there, even if he messes up and stuff like that, but he's always there. And he's just like a friend you can just like sit and talk to, and you know, share your problems and stuff like that, and he's gonna be always there, and he's gonna do whatever he can for you and stuff like that. So, and like, yeah, I think Joey is like my current favorite, because I feel like if I had a friend like Joey, I would love that. Okay, next up is your favorite creation of One Direction. So that's probably your favorite song or something like that from One Direction. I'm a huge One Direction fan, so it's a little it's not little, it's very 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 hard for me to choose like one song that that's my favorite, because it keeps on changing and I cannot choose just one song. Okay, but right now there's this song, it's called Right Now by One Direction, and if you're a One Direction fan, you already know that. But there's this like concert film that they did, like San Siro or something like that. They did, and the video of that like concert where they're singing that song Right Now is just so close to my heart. So that's like probably one of the most, I cannot just go for one, but yeah, that's one of my most favorite like song slash video like that I love. Okay, next. Okay, my most favorite author of all time. My most favorite author of all time. Okay, I love John Green. I would say like the first thing that I hear when I hear like my favorite author, I would say John Green. I love his books. Not all of them. There's few books that I'm not a huge fan of, but John Green, I feel like he writes so beautifully, like his dialogues are like in his movies that like got made into his books and got made into movies. They have like such beautiful lines and dialogues and stuff like that. And if you are reading a John Green book and you're not tearing up, I would have like, why? I would literally ask like, what is wrong with you? So I would say like if I had to pick my like favorite author right now, I would say John Green. Okay, okay, that one thing that you think is overrated but others are crazy about it. So the person who sent me this question is going to be mad, because he's a huge cricket fan and you guys know where this is going. So I think cricket is overrated. Hear me out, okay? I think cricket is overrated because I feel like what is the thing in cricket that makes people go crazy? Like people just go crazy during matches, but like why cricket? Why not like hockey or badminton? Like what is in cricket? I'm not saying it's a bad thing if you like cricket, but I feel like it's overrated, at least in India. I don't know about other places, but I think cricket is a little overrated and others go crazy over it, because like when there's like matches and stuff like that, I know people who go crazy and stuff like that. So I feel like I don't understand it. Also, like I don't understand cricket, so forgive me. And I think it's a little overrated. Okay. Next up is what question? Okay. Let me. Okay. वैसे birthday कब है तेरा? अच्छा. Okay. My birthday is on 14th March. Year is 2002. So 14th March. Yeah. Next up is, what is your favorite what is your future plan, like any dream job or something related to work? My dream plan, like, okay, my dream job basically. I don't know, like I love writing, obviously. Like I like now I'm in college and I'm thinking about like what's next kind of thing. So I'm thinking a lot about like going into like content writing or something like that. So I love like something like magazine editor, lifestyle magazine editor, content writer would be like my probably at least like right now my dream job is. Yeah, so I would say I don't have like a particular thing I could think of right now, but something related to content writing or like editing or like something like that, something related to writing, definitely. Right now I don't know what's gonna happen next in the next few years and stuff like that, but that's currently my like dream job. Okay, is there anything else? Is there any question left? Okay, so these are all the questions that I was sent on my Instagram story and stuff like that. So like I did not expect anybody to send in questions, so thank you so much for sending in these questions. They were so interesting, so nice. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any more questions or if you want me to like have another Q&A or something like that in future, let me know in the comment section below, or you can just follow me on Instagram. I ask what video I should do next, or if I ask questions like that, I ask them mostly on my Instagram. So follow me there if you want, or just let me know in the comment section below. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.